Hiya people, thanks for clicking. Well, as Mine Mechanica has released a rusty to shiny, I thought I'd better had as well. So sit back and watch some magic happen. Well, people, it's too quiet in it. I can't do ASMR. I've got to talk through the bloody thing, tell you what's going on. This video took up 17 hours in total, reduced down to just over 5 minutes for your viewing pleasure. YouTube have made a little thumbs up button for you to push to show your appreciation. Now, as this is an extreme restoration video, I cannot leave these little pit marks showing. I am now going to spend quite a few hours with different grades of sandpaper getting rid of all those pit marks. So we'll skip forward to cleaning the 3 smallest items, starting with the spring. And please don't forget the inside of the thumb wheel. That is where most of the muck congeals. Will fly through the handle fairly quickly. I think you don't want to see all that, do you? Many hours later. And here we have it, ready to reassemble, which is just the reverse of taking it apart. Now, the whole time I was putting this together, I was thinking, it's not quite right. This is how it used to look. And then this is how it looked when I put it together, and I'm still thinking, this doesn't look quite right. And then it clicked. Needed a little bit of colour. Now, my daughter, who is an expert in all things colouring in, says the writing should be red. What do you think? Should I do the Craftsman logo in red? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to thank each and every person for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're not subscribed.